How to edit Insta360 GO Ultra videos on mobile. So first of all, install Insta360 application on your mobile devices. Then simply tap on the app and open it. Now, in order to connect your device, make sure that you are logged on to your account first. Then go to the category of Me. Now, if you scroll down below under Device Settings, you'll see the option of Connect just beside Connect Device. You can simply tap on it in order to connect your device to your phone. Now, once it has been connected, just tap on the album icon. From here, choose any video or photo you wish to edit. I'm going to choose on this video. Now, at the bottom, tap on Editor option. Now, just tap on Continue on this pop-up. Now, once you come over here, you can trim your video accordingly. Then at the bottom, you can see various options. You can adjust the speed of your video. You can add filters. You can change motion, change stats, rotate your video, mirror your video, and you can see other various settings. Now, if you wish to mute the original sound of the video, tap on the mute button. You can simply tap on it in order to unmute as well. Now again, if you wish to add additional clip to the video, just tap on this plus button. Now from your gallery, you can choose any other video you can add to the clip. I'm going to choose on this video. Then let's tap on Next. Now once the video will be added, at the bottom, you can see other various settings you can use in order to edit your video from your phone. Now, once you do so, on top, you can also set the ratio accordingly, like this. Then, all you can do is just tap on this export button in order to download the edited video on your mobile device. Just tap on Export to Phone option. Now, let's go back. Now, over here, you can see the Edit option. If you tap on it, you can see videos you have saved on draft. You can further edit. Now, you can select a video from your draft category and then continue with editing your video. So that's all for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.